Alright, this is the sound it makes. The vibration noise that I can't figure out what the hell is wrong with it. Me and my dad have gone over almost everything in the car and still haven't found out what's wrong with it, but I don't know if you can hear it, but there it is. And it seems like it's coming from down here somewhere. When I get up to speed, it'll start sounding like something's spinning. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's something. And it makes a sound when I'm braking too. When I'm braking from about 10 miles an hour down, I can hear it real good. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's what it is. See if we can catch it again. Right there it was. Whoa, shit. That's a lot of snow. These are the slick-ass roads that lead to my house. And it always happens about 5 to 15 miles an hour is when it gets worse. Like right here. It's not more of a well, it is a vibration, but it shakes like all of this right here. When I brake. Oh no, go that way. Oh wow. Damn snow. This is a thin sheet of ice that I am driving on. It's all ice. This whole road. My little Mustang can handle it. I'm so proud of it. Until that happens. Holy shit. Little birdies. But yeah,